What's up, everybody? Drew, aka Catching Rockets here. Oh my gosh, can't even speak. What's up, everybody? Hope y'all had a good day. Pretty dull and choppy if you're trading SPY. ES wasn't horrible. NQ, I don't know. It wasn't bad. It wasn't great. Sorry. I need to plug my phone in. I forgot. Alrighty. I have 0 viewers. Interesting.
I'm a viewer.
What's up, Oliver? Oh, there they are. I don't know. I feel like everything's lagging right now. My dog's going crazy. Let's look at SPY really quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on YouTube.
Right on. Wow. Pretty ugly day to trade SPY. Did absolutely none of what we were looking for. What's up, Stocks for Row? Hey, Marie, how you doing? What's up, Rudy? What's up, Corey? What's up, I be winning? What's up, Sachi? What's up, Big Mike? It was you, right, Big Mike Bless, that made bank today when Shorty went short on ES, like 8K, I think you said. What's up, Sarah? Not for futures. What's up, Ketsu? Echoing. I should not have an echo. Am I echoing for anybody else? Sick. Hopefully nobody else has an echo. That would suck. Hey, what's up, Arlene? Oh. Sorry, I gotta answer this text really quick. It's from work. All right. You had me playing twice. Okay. I'm like, I don't know where the echo's coming from. I don't know what I did, but it wouldn't be too surprising if I messed up something on YouTube. Volume, yeah, volume should be good. It's actually kind of spiking. Hopefully it's not too loud. There's something bothering me. I don't even know if I want to talk about it on YouTube, but like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. It's a bummer they didn't really give us any of the entries we were looking for. Would have been good. Turn this off. Do we have 2 days in a row? Mm. 80% rule? There might have been. If there was, they didn't complete it. Yeah. Is this 45 minutes? Yeah. But later in the day, I'm kind of surprised that we didn't finish. But yeah, they'll probably hit this tomorrow. This is the, whatever it is, 45 minutes outside, come back inside. This is your retest. Entry short, and then you target here. I didn't even notice that, but then again, I was away from the computer. I was done trading by like 1 minute after the open today, and I stayed live for a while, just calling out trades. Called out a bunch of bangers, just tops and bottoms, bottoms and tops. Oliver was there. He knows. Ken, yeah, switch to futures. That's where it's at. What's up, Robin Hood? Oh, awesome, Kendra. That's awesome. Everybody's good. I hope everything's good with you. We're all good. We're actually, oh, man, come on. It rejected hard there. This is what Oliver's talking about, and I will take full responsibility for this. So we called out long on ES. I don't know, somewhere right around here. I don't remember the exact level, but we called long here. And there was a couple of people in the chat, and Oliver was one of them, and he was targeting here. And I kept saying 60.99, and that's probably where you want to close. And for a minute there, I thought I was right with this, but then they came up and they hit it. And so, yeah, I robbed Oliver of 3 points. My bad, bro. But I mean, this still confirms what I said, right? I called the bottom as the entry. I called the top to close. It wasn't the all-time top, but it was the top for the moment. But yeah, we were killing it today in the live chat. Or in the voice chat. Well, we kind of do that every day. Where? All right. Spy. I learned today, I forget who to give credit to this for, but I learned today that I had a misunderstanding on TPO. And oh, do we have an M period spike at the bottom? Look at that. They want to go clean up that 80% rule to the bottom. So now I get to talk about what this is. So basically, with the spike, And this would be the inverse if the spike is on the top. If we open here, or whatever, if we open above the spike, then that would be bullish. If we open in the middle here, between the spike and the spike base, that's semi-bearish. And if we open below the spike, that would be bearish. And then the inverse if the spike is at the top. If we open below it, that would be bearish. If we open between the spike and the spike base, semi-bullish. If we open above the spike, bullish. Okay? And let's see. I feel like I deleted levels now that are important for tomorrow because we should be selling off. Let's do our fixed range volume profile last 2 days. Get some SIGs. Oh, I think I was going to tell you guys this and then I lost my train of thought. Tonight I'm taking my son to another jiu-jitsu gym that's like, I guess kind of by our house. They have some really good kids there. I want him to get in some rolls with like kids that he's not used to rolling with every day. Oh my gosh. My gardener's here, of course, and it's super loud. I'm sorry. You guys can probably hear it. But I can't really do anything about it. I guess it's not really that close to our house. It's like a 45-minute drive or 30-minute drive. So we're going to drive down there. Have him roll with some different kids. And then we're going to go out to dinner somewhere down there. All right. So there's our SIGs. Nice. Well, so actually, like, the kid I want him to really roll with... Hang on, I'm going to close my window. This is loud. I can't even hear myself. Okay, that's at least a little bit better. No, the kid I really want him to roll with, he's not like a bad kid or anything. He's like 2 belts above my son. But like the last time they went together, my son beat him. But it was a good match. It was so, and that's what I want. I don't want him to like, you know, I don't want it to be like an easy, you know, I'm not taking him there for easy rolls. I want him to get put to the test. Yeah, this is TradingView, Theo. When charting futures, do you just use the last session close to session open? No. So like 30 minutes. Why did it change? Yes, whatever. Okay, that's cool. You would just chart from the open to the close. Where is it? Here. And that would give you your, these are your levels. So open to close. At least for volume profile. For TPO, you're going to use regular trading hours. Can I chart MES? Y'all are killing me. Triple G. So even if you're trading MES, I would chart ES. Unless you're trying to trade from within TradingView, which I don't even recommend. You're going to get bad fills. Thank you, Sarah. Let's get through SPY. I might be able to chart ES. Definitely not charting MES because I don't have levels. Whereas my ES is mostly charted. I would just have to do today. All right. I mean, since you guys are like, it seems like I've basically encouraged a lot of people to switch to futures. And now you guys are wanting to know how to chart it. I'll do ES really quick after SPY. And those levels you can use for MES. It's going to be the same thing. Just, yeah. I don't know why, but like the last couple of days, I look at SPY and I'm kind of like, ugh. Don't know what to say. Let's see. I think we've seen 604.20 in the next couple of days, I would guess. It's going to be rough getting down there, but it's probably what we need. Sorry, I just realized what I was trying to figure out. I could be wrong, but I feel like today was a day, yeah, to swing puts. Futures just barely open, so I mean we don't have a lot of information, but we're down a couple of points. I highly doubt we get this, but if we get this, you want to be in puts here. Unlikely. Also, if we open above the spike base, This is going to be your target. Where to get in is a little bit harder. I would like to see them do this. It's kind of hard to draw, but peek below, come back inside, and grab calls as soon as we cross back above the spike base. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully this makes sense. If we open, somewhere, whatever, hopefully they give us a retest. I would be targeting this first, and then from there, single prints. If they give you this, you want to grab calls. Any questions? Spy's looking to wiki? What do you mean, where? Yeah, South kicked it. I don't have time to be charting NQ. I don't trade gold. I teach, like on my channel, we teach volume profile. We teach how to chart all of this stuff. And then you just have to take the knowledge and apply it to your charts. I mean, actually, I might have time to chart NQ, but this is going to be like a one-time thing. I'm not going to be doing this every day. It's too much for me to try to do live. I generally chart basically like I wake up an hour before the market opens. The house is quiet, the dogs are sleeping. I go grab my coffee, go to the bathroom, sit down. I chart I chart NQ and I chart ES, and that's the time where I like to figure out what I think the market's going to be doing for that coming New York session, and then I trade off of that. Ugly in the sense that it just keeps running. Like, we need a healthy pullback on SPY. But so yeah, I don't mind. We can do NQ and ES really quick one time. But there's not going to be much for me to chart because my charts are basically done. I just have to do my daily levels and my TPO, and that's it. The levels, Black Rose, I'll just give you a link to my chart, and then that way you can zoom in and do whatever you need to do. So here's a link to my my chart on TradingView. And basically, as long as you have that link, like you can literally watch me draw and move the levels live. Like if I move a line and you're looking at my chart, you'll see it move. If you're paying close enough attention, that is. NVIDIA is not happening. There's nothing to look at on NVIDIA. We're like... I should explain my reasoning for saying stuff like that. Like, I look at I don't even know the amount of stocks I look at on a daily basis to look for entries. I'm only willing to share high confluence trades, and I already looked at Nvidia. I didn't see anything that like popped out at me that I want to share with you guys as a trade. Nvidia right now looks like it has a diamond top on the 30-minute. It's not the prettiest diamond top, but it's there. Something like this. That's a diamond top. And basically just whatever way it breaks, you take. And these from diamond tops, you generally get like a pretty good move upside or downside. A triple G, when I get there, we'll go over it. I don't know what you mean by previous session and current session. Like you chart from like for tomorrow. I would be charting from the open, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon my time, until 1 o'clock in the afternoon today my time. That's what I chart based on for the previous day. Yeah, so pick Soul. I'm not trying to be rude or anything. It's just like I've already looked at everything, and if I feel like there's something worth calling out, I call it out. If I don't see anything I like, I'm just not willing to like, I don't know. It's kind of hard for me to even put into context, but like, I'm not willing to like a lot of people that share trades or whatever. They'll be like, above this level, take calls, below this level, take puts. That's not me. I look for confluence and I pick a direction. It's either going to be up or down. And I find levels based on what I'm looking at. And then I call out the trades. And the way that I do it, and actually, I'm glad that I'm thinking about this. Like, this is something we need to talk about. The way that I do it, the levels slap. Like, we called out, believe it or not, back here in when Tesla was trading around 220, that it was going to 365, and we hit it today. And then we talked about this. I want to say, you guys, I don't know, you can like go back and back test this or whatever. Like or confirm this. I don't remember exactly what I said. But right around here in October, when we were trading at 220, I said it was either 3 or 6 months out to get to 365, and we did it pretty quickly. So, I only want to share really good, high quality setups with people. 805. Where was I going next? Oh, and I guess we just talked about this. I don't remember even what it was. Monday or Tuesday, I said we break this box above. We were going to 365. Break below. We were going to 338. If you listened, you got paid. Like this happened very quickly. 13-point move. So I do have one setup that I like for you guys tomorrow. And I even showed this to Shorty. Not that I need... Did I type this wrong? Nice. Awesome. Not that I need him to confirm for me, but I showed it to him in case he wanted to take the trade. He obviously doesn't watch my YouTube very often. Every once in a while he'll tune in, but it's not very often. So I just showed him the trade that I'm looking at. You know, you could even, if you want to be a little bit on the riskier side, you could get in at about 57, 56 for calls. This is a little bit safer here. 57.85 calls on Etsy. Close at 58.76, and it's coming up to $60.64, just an FYI, if you want to swing trade this. But this is just a quick in and out day trade. Should be enough to make some decent money. Just shy of $1 move. Okay. So that's the only trade that I found that I liked, and then we charted SPY. So you guys should know what to do here. What's up? Red and yellow boxes. I'm okay. What are you talking about? What red and yellow boxes? On Tesla? Oh, the colors don't necessarily mean anything at all. It's just, supply and demand or whatever. But just areas where I was pretty sure we were going to bounce, basically. And then this, it's consolidation. So you break one side, you go up, you break the other, you go down. That's all it was. Yeah. But the colors don't represent anything specific. I just left whatever color the box was when I drew it. I don't really use boxes on my chart very often. A little bit, but not very often. All right. So I guess this won't be for just Oliver today. Let's clean up some stuff. All right, so with everything basically being charted, again, from the open, so futures close for 1 hour every day, right? And then they close Friday afternoon and reopen Sunday afternoon. But that 1 hour gap from when the market reopens after that 1 hour gap is where you draw your levels from for the next day. So like if we look right now, there's a profile developing down here. This would be tomorrow, right? This is the start of tomorrow. And if I go on like 5 minutes, you'll be able to see it better. This is our developing profile, right? And this is the profile that I'm going to be drawing for trading the current session that's open right now. So 30 minutes, we bring forward previous day value area high, previous day value area low. And then I will mention as well, people that are new to trading futures, we are currently in December, right? Actually, I'll just pull this up on the screen so I'm not just talking words. I'll share this link with you guys, but if you come down here, right here. This shows you the S&P 500 mini. These are our December contracts, and this is our March contracts. When March is greater volume than December is when you would switch from December contracts to March contracts. But as we get into December, you need to start watching this quote closely, because like next Monday, the volume on these is probably going to be pretty equal. If you're trading on a prop firm, it doesn't really matter too much, because you're not buying and selling actual contracts. You're just getting filled based on prices levels getting hit, not actually having a buyer or a seller. But for people that are trading with cash, it is important to make sure you know when to switch contracts. So as you get into the first, week of December, second week of December, you really want to be paying attention to these numbers and which one is higher than the other. Right now we're in the overnight session, so the volume is very low. But if you look at this during the day, you'll see, like 60,000 volume or whatever. And here's the link for this. Okay. And so also with that said, now, if you're charting on TradingView, like now is a good time to go to like ES and start charting every day on the March contract. Because when we switch from December to March, the levels are going to be way different. And you don't want to use the continuous contract, the ES1 exclamation mark. I generally will switch to the actual contract for like a week or two, and then I'll switch back to the continuous contract. I know this might sound confusing. It is a little confusing, but you just want to make sure you start charting on the March contract like today, so that when you do switch, you have levels on your chart. And then after like a week or two of trading on the March contract, you can switch back to the continuous contract. All right. So now that I have my daily levels, I switch to regular trading hours, and then I'm going to turn on my TPO and get my TPO levels. On futures, you kind of ignore the end period. And we have a spike, just like we do on SPY. I apologize, but I'm not going to like go through entries and all that stuff. You guys got to tell your own story. Figure out where you want to take trades. I think Oliver can tell you, like, it's better for you yourself to start looking for your own levels and figure out where you want to be short, where you want to be long, figure out what the market's trying to tell you. So there's my TPO settings. And then just like SPY, we should be able... No, we can't draw... oh, wait. I need to be on extended trading hours. You can draw SIGs. I'm not going to. I don't like that these are barely overlapping. Like, I'm good. I'm good. So that's going to be ES for MQ. Oh, and this box paid today. Paid so well. Yeah. So we just drag forward previous day. Hopefully this is making sense, guys. Like, this is the new session. We're charting the previous session. And then from here, just turn off my session volume profile. Turn on TPO. And then put on regular trading hours. We also have a spike on NQ. And there's our poor high. And so this is what I trade with VWAP, initial balance, session volume profile, volume. And the VWAP I've covered before, but you just make a band multiplier of 0.13 or under indicators, VWAP, and you go with the volume weighted average price, add that to your chart, and then on it, you go to settings, and your band multiplier, you change it to 0.13. And then it'll match mine. You can't see it. This is monthly VWAP. This is the regular VWAP, but it's overlapping mine. So like, you can't really see it there. It's there though. Okay. I guess now I don't have to chart in the morning. Thanks, guys. All right. I mean, if you guys need like more videos on futures, you can let me know, you know, what you're not understanding, whatever else, and we'll make it happen. Just right now I need to go hop in the car and start driving my family down to that other gym. Otherwise, you know, like if I have time, I'm always happy like to go over anything with you guys. But yeah. All right, so hopefully that's helpful, everybody. Kind of just hanging out for a second to see if anybody has any questions before I take off. Oh, I want to look at news really quick too. And then share this with you guys as well. This is a very good link to have for news, for everything. But yeah, tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, so this is going to be huge. All of this here. And then also this will be big as well. So for me, this is just kind of a time where I don't want to be in trades. That's basically all I use that for. Hey, Jack, did you learn today that the market doesn't only go up? What's up, Krista? Yeah, I trade on Quantower. That's the only way to go. If you have a Windows computer, you should be trading on Quantower. Or Ninja Trader. The thing with Ninja Trader is you need to go... what's up, Slickamus? Ninja Trader, you would need to buy indicators from Trader Dale. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Like, I bought them from him, but just because Shorty reached out to Trader Dale, and well, actually, it was Shorty and then one of the members of our Discord, so Knowledge Seeker Ghost. And between Knowledge Seeker Ghost and Shorty, they worked a deal with Trader Dale where you get, like, I think it's a Ninja Trader license and, like, all of his indicators. So basically, what is it? I've never even used them, but like, it gives you footprints and some other stuff. And basically, it was like $99, and it was such a good deal. I was like, I should just buy it just in case I ever do want to use Ninja Trader. But I love Quantower. I have Trader Dale's indicators, and like I said, I've never used them. But oh my gosh, Jack, what's wrong with you, bro? But anyway, yeah, so I just bought it just so I have it just in case, because it was such a good deal. I'm like, hey, if I ever decide that I do want to use it, I'll have it. But yeah, I trade on Quantower. But I mean, really, like, I don't know every trading platform out there, but I think Quantower and Ninja Trader are probably the two best. And out of Ninja Trader and Quantower, I think Quantower is better than Ninja Trader. But again, that's just going to be personal opinion, What's up, Marcos? Cisco, as far as I know, the deal's still available for people that are in Shorty's Discord, yeah. I'm trying to think of how to get to it. Well, Brian and Jack, you guys need to inverse yourself. I think... If I knew how to use this, it would be helpful. I wonder... It's probably towards the end or something. This. I mean, I guess you guys can grab this link, but yeah, that was the special that Shorty secured for people in the Discord. Alrighty. So it doesn't look like we have any questions. Hopefully everybody knows the plan tomorrow. And I guess it's the weekend, right? So you guys have a good weekend. I will see you. Actually, I know Shorty's going to be doing a class on Sunday. I don't have the time yet, but I would guess 11 a.m. Eastern. He hasn't decided what he's doing a class on yet, but he's also going to be doing a stock scan for long-term portfolio holds. Like your Roth IRAs or whatever, any long-term portfolios that you have. He's going to be looking at stocks, what price to buy them at, and he'll be covering that for sure. But then he's also going to be doing a class, and I don't know what he's going to do it on yet because he gave everybody like an option. Order flow, aka footprints, market profile, or clouds. And right now it looks like order flow and footprints are winning. So I would guess that's what he's doing. All right. No worries, Brian. I mean, you can always DM me too. Or better yet, anybody that has questions, send them to Oliver. Oliver Estates, or on Discord. I'm trying to think of how to pronounce his name. I know what it is. I just don't know how to pronounce it. Lieber, Libeer. So any questions, just send them to him, because he's in the process of learning, and the more he has to think, the better. So hit him up if you have any questions, or you just want to chit chat. Just send him a DM. I wonder if he's still in here because he hasn't said anything, or I guess he won't even know because there's a delay. But yeah, all questions, or just if you want somebody to talk to, need a friend, just DM Oliver Estates. He said, "Thanks, Grandpa." Damn. All right, everybody. As always, I'm going to say this probably quite a bit, but much love to everybody that contributed to those kids. Really, really appreciate it. I gave them my Rip Lieber's Discord. I on the gift cards, I wrote my son's Instagram at whatever, So maybe they'll reach out to him, which would be cool. It would be cool to hear from them. And if I do hear anything, I'll let you guys know. Yeah, again, just thank you all for the support and the love with that. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah, just tell them to bill you on that $5 per message thing, because this is about personal growth. It's not about making money. Make money from trading, not from other people. Yeah, so anyway, much love again for all of that. Subscribers, really appreciate you guys, the people that chat and contribute. I really appreciate it. Makes things more interesting for me. Friends of the stream, extra big thank you to you guys. And then for anybody that's new, if you haven't already, please hit that sub button. If you are new to trading, this might seem confusing right now, but if you stick around, it'll all start to make sense. And I don't know, we have a lot of good content, a lot of good education, and it's very, very helpful in trading. Darlo, I hope you just sold your BTC and didn't actually lose it. That would suck. Thank you, Black Rose. Yeah, we'll have fun. Mark Anthony, still not showing data. I don't know if I spoke with you this morning. I think maybe I did based on what you're saying. But in Quantower, I can't show it, unfortunately. But at the top right of your screen, there's a little question mark box, or a circle with a question mark inside of it. If you click that and go down to live chat or something like that, and you message the people at Quantower, they'll help you out really quick. They're probably still open right now, so you might be able to do it. If not, just do it first thing in the morning, and they'll hook it up for you. They'll fix it quick. Yeah. Well, Theo, I mean, all of this is just a learning process. It's all a learning curve, and you'll get there. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on TradingView. Not really something that I cover, but yeah, I focus more on just teaching the actual trading aspect, not using software per se. All right. With that said, much love, everybody. We'll see you sometime. Saturday or Sunday, we'll do another video. And then, like I said, Shorty's going to be live on Sunday, so he'll be doing a class then. All right. Much love, everybody. Peace out. We'll see you next time. Bye.